Hello YouTube. So today I have a couple cool things I'm going to be unboxing. First is it's either called the Pl-Iking or the Pl-Iking, or maybe it's Pl-Licking 750. It's an underwater metal detector. Surprisingly, this box is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. But let's open it up and see. It took about I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks for this to get to me. Really interested in doing some metal detecting underwater with my snorkel gear this summer, and yeah, so that's why I picked this up. Okay, so it's just a plain brown box, nothing too special, and there's the description here: designed and manufactured in China by Tianxum Co. Limited. There's what's in the box. It says Pl-Iking 750 wrist strap, 9-volt battery, warranty, and instructions. Okay, so open this up. Okay, interestingly enough, it doesn't look like it includes a battery unless the battery is inside here. So it has this lanyard strap that velcros on the bottom, goes around your arm. Here's where we get to that part again where I'm afraid to force anything in case it breaks. So I'm gonna pull out the handy instructions. Thank you for choosing this metal detector, blah blah blah. Operating instructions before submerging battery installation. So when the knob of the battery compartment seal is rotated clockwise, the plug expands and presses inside the wall of the battery compartment, sealing the unit. So to open the battery compartment, rotate the knob counterclockwise a few times and then pull. My cat wants to come and join this unboxing. So counterclockwise. Interesting. It's like a compression plug. There is the spot for the 9-volt battery, and as I expected, I do not see any 9-volt battery with this unit. It's got a piece of protective plastic on the face of the metal detector. I don't know if it's just some rough finishings on the handle of the unit. Pinpoint or PL or Pl-Iking. I guess it's like, it feels solid, but my overall impression is some of the fit and finish isn't that great. Come on, Nemo, out of the way. Yeah, this type of compression plug doesn't leave me feeling too confident. I'm sure it'll work fine, but this rubber doesn't feel like the highest of quality. Not sure how long it'll last, but yeah, time will tell. I mean, I paid $105 for this thing, shipped from China, Canadian. So what can you expect for $105? Let's get a battery and see if it turns on. Okay, so I got my 9-volt Amazon battery. Let's see if I can open it up. You got my 9-volt Amazon battery. Excuse me, Nemo. Pull this part out. Plug it in. Push this back into the tube. I mean, even inside this tube here, it feels really unfinished. Push this back in like that. You wanna, having worked with these types of adapters before, not in the electronic, I know you want to keep constant pressure while you screw in the the knob. Nemo, you're gonna knock the camera over. Okay. Now how do I turn it on? So turn on, point the probe tip up for at least 5 seconds. Looks like it has turned on. Let's see if I have any metal for it to detect. 1, 2, it's still not staying on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now it vibrated. I don't know if you heard that audible woo woo, but it has turned on. Nemo, you're really spoiling this unboxing video, but okay, 1 second. I'm gonna move my cat. He's a rather large cat. Okay, Nemo, on the ground. Okay. So let's. Very cool. So it's detecting at about 5 to 6 inches away. It's detecting the metal in the scissors, and it is a noticeably quite strong vibration in the handle. I'm going to make the assumption that I would be able to feel that with dive gloves on. I would definitely be able to feel that, just with bare hands going through the beach. So at least we know it works. I don't really have much gold. I guess I'm not really that rich to have tons of gold laying around the house, so I can't really tell what other types of metals this works with, but maybe I'll be lucky and actually find some gold out in the field. I will come back with another video just discussing how this works underwater and if it does stay watertight underwater. So yeah, if you like my videos, please subscribe, and I hope you tune in for the next video as well. Let me just figure out how to turn this off. Turn off. After use, point probe tip up for at least 5 seconds. Okay, well I guess we do the same thing as we did to turn it on. And now it's off. Awesome. See you guys again soon.